What up, though? What up, though? What up, though? What up, though? This your boy Cash Shoulder, the Boss King, back with another play for you. Check it out. Switching up a little bit. As you can see, we talking about NFTs today. How you make money off T. I got 5 ways you can make money off NFTs. Ain't got nothing to do with trading. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you 6. Bonus. Check it out. One of the ways you can make money off NFTs is you can build an NFT investment firm. Let people give you money to invest in NFTs. Use your NFTs expertise, flip it, and you get paid 20%, and you get a rest to the person that made the investment. People do that all day with stocks. It's a new business. Number 2, this one, I love this one. Open up your own NFT restaurant. Yeah, you ain't heard nothing like that before. Just virtual reality, metaverse type stuff. You can do a lot of stuff. So you can get paid. So, yeah. Number 3, you could be a full-time NFT gamer and get paid in NFTs. I know a couple of people that just play games all day and get paid in NFTs, and then they just cash the NFTs out. Not a bad life. Depends on how much you generating. Number 4, you can make an NFT app, or dApps, as they would call it. Yeah, all my tech heads out there, it's kind of easy to make an app anyway, so you can make an NFT app. An NFT app that shows people how to design and make NFTs. Get paid by the downloads, charge 99 cents. Hey, NFT money. Anything is plenty, right? Number 5, you can become a Metaverse DJ. Did you know that? You can build you a avatar DJ, perform different events, and get paid at various events. That's how cold this Metaverse can be. So I just gave you 5 ways you can make money off NFTs without trading, without having to do any hard work. So I just wanted to drop that on you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, Boss King Inc. Make sure you share that. I'm out.